As soon as summer arrives, there is a flood of watermelon and muskmelon in the market. If seen, both of these are hydrating fruits which benefit the body a lot. Both fruits contain such amazing nutrients that everyone likes to eat them. Because of this, fruits contain more than 90% of water. But if these two are compared, then people get confused whether watermelon is better for their health or muskmelon. Let us tell you today which fruit is more beneficial among muskmelon and watermelon. If seen, both the fruits benefit in different ways due to different properties. Know here which fruit is better in which case. If you are trying to consume this to lose weight, then let us tell you that watermelon can be heavier than muskmelon. To lose weight, the first thing that is seen in the calorie in such case, if you count, watermelon is better. 100 grams of watermelon has 30 calorie, while 100 grams of muskmelon has 34 calorie. Watermelon contains an antioxidant called lycopene, which cuts fat from the body and boosts digestion. Protein is needed to make the body active and strong. In such situation, if you want to eat this fruit to get protein, then muskmelon is the best. In terms of protein, muskmelon outweigh watermelon. 100 grams of muskmelon contains 1.11 grams of protein. On the other hand, if we talk about watermelon, then 100 grams of watermelon contains only 0.61 grams of protein. In such situation, if you eat muskmelon instead of watermelon, you will get more protein. If seen, both the fruits come in summer and are full of water. If you want to consume it to hydrate the body, then watermelon can be the better than muskmelon. It contains more water than muskmelon and it can keep the body hydrated for a long time. When it comes to vitamin K intake, muskmelon is considered the best. Vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin K are found in muskmelon, whereas watermelon has more vitamin A, vitamin B1, and vitamin B5. Watermelon has less vitamin C, which increases the immunity of the body. Fiber is considered very important for digestion. In such situation, the amount of fiber is in both the fruits are also matters. If we talk about fiber, then muskmelon is better than watermelon. Muskmelon contains more fiber than watermelon and it boosts digestion. Due to the high fiber content in muskmelon, the stomach feels full for a long time and it helps in weight loss. Although both the fruits are beneficial for health, but consuming them together can harm your health. Both the fruits are full of water, but their nature and nutrients are different. Watermelon is cold in nature, whereas muskmelon is not cold in nature. Watermelon is high, whereas muskmelon is heavy due to fiber. Along with this, the time and method of digestion of both of them is also different. In such situation, if you eat both of them together, then digestion can be disturbed. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.